Hello. I gotta get rid of these colorful ass nails, okay? Sometimes I like color, but most of the time I don't really like it, okay? I like neutrals. This is not neutral. I don't know, will these scare the children? R.I.P. Hello and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to try out the Dyson Airwrap situation, this thing. I'm sure if you watch YouTube videos you have seen this thing. I purchased this a few weeks ago when it came back in stock on Sephora. I do think it's out of stock right now, but I feel like it'll come back before Christmas. So if you've had your eye on it, don't feel bad if it's out of stock, because I missed it the first time, but I literally stocked it the second time it was around. So I have not used it. I wanted to try it my first time with you guys. And I also haven't watched anyone's reviews on it. Anytime I see someone talking about it, I just skip. Like if they're talking about it on Instagram on their story, like I'll just skip right through, because I knew that I wanted to talk about it with you guys. So I didn't want to have like any false impressions or kind of any help knowing what to do before. Like I wanted to see if it was user-friendly first time out of the box, you know what I'm saying? It is a pricey piece, we know, but I have the Dyson blow dryer and I haven't looked back since I purchased that as well. I think it's so amazing, so I wanted to try this thing so bad. I will say that I have seen that it works better on short hair, so. But before we get into the Dyson, I quickly wanted to mention to you guys my book that I'm currently listening to. You guys know I'm partnered with Audible. I've been partnered with them forever. Anytime I say forever, it makes me think of The Sandlot. Anybody else? And if you caught my book recommendation last month, I feel like you automatically know what I'm listening to. Can you guess? Anybody? No? I bet some of you are guessing. So I listened to Crazy Rich Asians last month, so I've been listening to China Rich Girlfriend, which is the second book. There are 3 books, so you can kind of guess what I'm gonna listen to after this one, right? So I've watched the movie like 10 times already, but I will say that the book is so much better. If you have not listened to the book, listen to it. It is so good. So I'm currently on like chapter 34. There's a lot of chapters in this guy. So if you guys want to check out Audible, you can go to audible.com/Nicole. And I believe right now for a limited time, you can get 3 months of Audible for like $6.95, which is half off the regular price. And if you guys are wondering, I do pay for my Audible subscription, okay? I pay for it. That's how much I like it. I've had a couple of you already like DMing me asking what the book situation was for this month. So it's China Rich Girlfriend. I'm super into these. I cannot wait to finish it and get to the next one. I also like with Audible, if you don't like the book, you can swap it out for another book. Like you're not stuck with it. Because sometimes I'll download a book and I'm just like, I'm not really into this guy, and I'll just switch it out for a new one. They have an unmatched selection of books. So again, if you want to check out Audible, you can go to audible.com/Nicole, and I believe you can text Nicole to 500-500 as well. And if you guys are already on Audible and you've been listening to audiobooks, please leave me some of your favorites down below, because I would love to listen. I'm getting more into like non-fictions. Like I just like to listen to them at night. I find it like very relaxing and soothing. So yeah, I just love books. I don't care. I love books. I just sat here for an extra 8 minutes and 15 seconds listening to the rest of chapter 34. Okay, so now I'm ready. I'm ready to curl my hair. I got through chapter 34. So let's see what this Dyson is all about. First things first, I'm gonna show you the one that I got. There are 3 different versions of this Dyson, and I got the Dyson Airwrap Complete, which has all of the head attachments. So it comes in this really nice case, this nice Dyson case, and then inside you have all your accoutrements or your extra heads. So these are the 1.5-inch barrels. As you can see, there were 2, and I was totally confused as to why there was 2. When I pulled this out, I was like, why do I need 2 of each? And then it made sense. So one blows the air right and one blows the air left. Whether you want curls facing in or you want curls facing out is going to determine which head you use. Then we basically have like a 1.5-inch barrel. I think it says like 1.6 if I see correctly. I don't have my eyeglasses on. Then we have the firm smoothing brush. It gives you like a more smooth style, like compared to if you didn't do anything at all. And then this guy gives you a more smooth blow dry finish. And then last but not least, we have the round volumizing brush head, which I should have blown dried my hair with this. Like, I forgot this was in here. I've been slipping not using this thing. So this just adds like volume and shape to your hair. So we are going to try it today with the tinier barrel. And there are 3 speeds on here. There's a cool shot, and then there's 2 heat settings and 1 cool setting. So I'm gonna use mine on the highest heat and highest situation, because that's how I like to do my shit. Okay. okay, it got pretty hot, I'm just gonna do what I normally do when I curl my hair and hope that that works. So I'm just gonna pull this little top section up, which the majority of it is like my natural hair. You guys know that I have in a weft extension, so I just have like one weft around my head. So I usually pull up my natural hair and then focus on curling this part. So since my hair is pretty short, I don't really worry about curling these bottom pieces. So I just mainly try to concentrate on curling the pieces that I can see. I really don't know what we're doing right now. I'm just gonna grab a chunk of hair, right? And then again, it's on the highest setting and it's on the highest heat. So I'm gonna turn it on. And then is it go like this? Oh, no, that's wrong. And, okay. Okay, and then this, like this. And then I'm gonna shoot it to the cold. I feel like that is supposed to set it, you know? And then turn it off. Oh, okay. Okay. Oh, all right. Okay, that was exciting. I'm gonna hold it on there for just a couple of seconds and then I hit it up to the cool setting just to kind of set it. Because if you've ever seen me curl my hair with just a regular curling wand, I always like to hold it in my hand for a second so that the curl isn't super hot when we drop it, because the cooler you let your hair get, the more it's gonna set, the longer it's gonna last. So I really do like that cool setting on here. But let's try that again and see if we can figure this out. Okay, these are some cute little curls that are coming out. I still don't know if I'm doing it right. Like, I feel like it's blowing my hair away. Oh, there we go. Oh, too much hair. Lord. It's easier if you just kind of let your hair go when you get to the tip here. I feel like it just grabs on. I was trying to hold it and guide it on, but it doesn't need your help. Like, just let the hair do its own thing. Why is this so fun? This is the coolest thing I've ever used. So I'm gonna switch the barrel and use the one that flows in the opposite direction to curl this hair. So there's a little lock eye on the back, and all you do is push it down and it comes right off, and then all you have to do is just push the other guy right on and it automatically locks. Oh, Okay. I feel like sometimes it grabs on so easy and then other times it's like, nah, I ain't grabbing. Let's do some opposite ones on the other side too, just to see like what kind of look it gives. So I feel like I just got a blowout, because this is usually what my hair looks like when I get a blowout, because I like blowouts that are like round brushed and give you like a nice curl. So I love this. I love this thing. Okay, it's not like the curls I would get if I were to wand my hair, but like I said, it gives me the vibe of just having like a fresh blowout. So I'm just gonna give it a little brush again, just to get everything just a little more uniformed. So if you guys watch my videos, you know that I usually tease my hair, and I do not feel the need to tease my hair. I do think there's a little bit of a learning curve, so I just gotta figure out which barrel direction I like better. Again, I don't think, like this one says it's suited for voluminous curls or waves, and I just think it gives me like a fresh blowout look, totally different than if I were to wand curl my hair. I honestly feel like this thing is the coolest thing I've ever used, ever. It is pricey, we know that. It is an expensive ass hair situation, but if you want to splurge and you want to get into this thing, I definitely recommend it. I will be sure to just keep going back and forth and figuring out which one that I like more, or if I should be using both directions when I curl my hair. I feel like I should, but look at the volume that my hair has. I didn't tease my hair. I didn't do anything to it. There's no product in my hair, nothing. It's just from this guy. If you had longer hair, maybe it would give you like more wavy-esque hair. But as you can see for me, it just kind of gave me a voluminous blowout look, which I'm here for, okay? If I can get my hair to look like I just got it blown out, that's what we're doing. So I'm really excited to use the other attachments and see what that is like. It's said to use it when your hair was kind of damp, and my hair was completely dry when we started using this. So I'm gonna try it tomorrow. Well, no, I'm not gonna try it tomorrow, because you know I'm not gonna wash my hair for like a week. This thing is really cool, and I'm going to treat it like a baby and take care of it forever. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you super soon in a new video. Bye guys. I don't know what this was. Bye guys.